Okay, clean. Okay. Good. This is how you fish here in Cornish. Okay?
Yes.
Every time you catch fish, just clean. Aywa, number one. Aywa. Good one, good one. Good. Number one from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Oy,
Come on.
my line. Aywa.
Yes.
Okay. Hey, what's up, happy people, and welcome back to Fishing Adventures with Jethro TV. So guys, since nagdagsaan naman ulit yung bangus, andito naman ulit tayo guys sa ating beloved Cornish para sa ating isang fishing adventure sa araw na to. So magbangus hunting ulit tayo. So kanina, huli na yung pag-play ko ng video kasi nga pagdating ko kanina na magkukuha ako ng rod at saka maglalagay ng mga stand, yung sa kay Dumi na reel, hinatak. Pero sayang, hindi agad na ano yun, hindi na hook up. Sayang. Hey! Sayang. Kasi nga andun siya kanina nang mamarites doon siya sa kanila ni Sagar. So ako, ang masama pa nun, kanan yung reel niya, kaya hindi ko masyado mapitik. Pero ngayon, ayan. So may tatlo po tayo nakababad. Andyan din yung kay Dumi na isa. Umalis muna sila. Okay? So sana po ay makachamba na tayo ngayong araw. Pang 18th day na po natin. So February 26 ano na 26. So 8 pang 17th. Pang 17th day na po natin. Ngayon yung pang 17th day natin. So sana po, sana ay makachamba na tayo. Okay. Hey! My line. Where is it now? Huh? Okay, my friend from.
Okay.
No. Okay. When he's pulling, don't.
Okay.
Where are you from?
Bangladesh.
Oh, number one from Bangladesh.
Yeah.
Oy,
Come
no,
on.
my line. No, go down.
इधर धीरे
Okay, go down. Come here, come near to him. Go down because my line is there. Oh shit, my line. Okay. Yeah, let him fight. Okay. Little by little, go up now. Yeah, pull him now, pull him. Go up. Yeah, go. Go. Hey, remove this one. Oh my God, your line. Why you throw? Wait. Ay, wow. Woo! Hold it. Ay, wow. Okay. First one.
Fast now.
Oh, mashallah. Number one. Yes. Good one. Ay, grabe naman talaga yan. Power. Big one. All right. Wait, remove your line, bro. Wait. Slowly.
You lose your.
Don't hold the line. Slowly. Relax, relax. Ay, wah.
Okay na?
Okay na. Na, number 2 ah. Number 2, number 2.
Faruk Bhai from Bangladesh.
Ay, wah. Wag, don't throw first. Ay, my goodness. Don't throw first because still there's fish. Just wait. Akin pa yan, akin yan, oh.
Baka umabot yan.
Hindi, hindi. Naka-straight yung sa kanya eh.
Kanan, buto sa dito sih.
Remove first your line. Relax, don't throw. After, the fish will go into your line again. Yeah, relax.
We are
There?
from
Far.
Bangladesh. Today win 2 fish, milk fish with my friend Jitro.
Oh, aywa.
Always like and share, follow Jitro.
Wait now, boy.
Please help. Yes.
The blood, put it down. Down. Yeah, aywa. The blood will block it. Put it down because the blood. Okay, clean. Okay, good. This is how you fish here in Cornish. Okay?
Yes.
Every time you catch fish, just clean. Aywa, number 1. Aywa. Good one. Good. Okay, so kikiluhin lang pa natin kung ilang kilo yung huling bangos na nahuli niya.
Yeah, may 3.6.
No, up! Bring it up! Bring it up! Okay. 3.4. 3.4 ka. Ah, mashallah!
Inshallah 3.4 kg.
Number 1.
3.4.
Okay. Casting mo tayo guys. Habang naghihintay ng aking bangus. Dali. Asan yung wala kayong ganso?
Wala.
Uy, panalo. All right. Wala na. Landed na.
Punta na. Give me 5 to. Ipangan mo dre.
Okay, panalo. Pang-apat na.
Ito first time ako madali sa video mo. Tagal tayo magkaibigan, ngayon lang yan.
Tangin na naman, may mga hugot ka pa. Diyos ko ka.
Thank you daw.
Ay, wah.
Na-content mo ko.
Oh, tagis na yan. Tangin na. Tayo guys, mula pa kanina dito mga alas 12:30. Wala pa tayo. Habol pa. Baka meron pa. Let's go. Kunin ko yung... Ha?
Akin yan eh. Sa iba yan.
Sunod-sunod oh. Sunod-sunod. Eh grabe naman yung sunod-sunod oh. Huwag mo na. Huwag mong kukontrahin. Kasi ano mo na yung line tray, baka maabot sa akin at saka ay hindi, wala na, andito na pala. Puking ng ina. Okay guys, so hanggang dito na lang po ulit yung video natin para sa araw na to. So at least nag-enjoy man tayo kahit bokeh naman tayo ngayong araw. Pero yung syempre yung mga tropa, shout out pa din kay Idol Boyet oh. At saka sa isang tropa ba? Ayan, grabe harvest sila ngayon guys. Okay. So tayo, harvest pa rin ng kabukyaan. Okay? Sanay na tayo dyan. Pero at least nag-enjoy tayo guys kasama nila. Okay, so hanggang dito lang po. So don't forget, spread love, always be happy, and just enjoy fishing.